Howdy y'all, today we are going to go through subtraction and I'm going to show it using a CRA method, which is concrete, representational, and an abstract method. To start off, we're going to look at the equation 35 minus 18 and we are trying to find what the difference between the two are. So we're going to start with the concrete method using our base 10 blocks. So firstly, we're going to start representing 35. 35 has 3 in the tens place, so we're going to represent it with 3 tens blocks. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and there are 5 in the 1 spot, so we're going to represent that with 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. So that represents our 35. And since we are taking away 18 from our 35, we are going to not add anything else. We're just going to look at what we're given because we're taking away from this total number. So let's see. Let's start with looking at the ones place. Can we take 8 from 5? No, we can't. So what we're going to have to do is break apart one of our 10 spots and add more ones so we can take away 8. So by doing that, let's first off count how many ones are in our 10 spot. So we're going to go in one rod. We're going to go, there's 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1, 10, 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to take away this tens rod and we're going to add 10 ones. So we're going to add 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1, 10 ones. So now we can definitely take 8 from the total number of ones we have, because now we have a total number of, let's count them out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ones. So now let's try to take 8 out of our 15 ones. Okay, we're going to remove them. Ready? We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have taken away these 8 ones. And we are left with, let's count them out, how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are left with 7 ones. And now let's see, now we're going to move to the tens place. So now we have 1 10 in the number 18. So now we're going to take away one of our 10s since we have that. And what are we left with? We are left with 110. So in total, after we've taken away 18 from 35, what do we have left? We have 1 in the tens place, and we have 7 in the ones place. So we have 17 as our final answer. So 35 minus 18 equals a difference of 17, which is shown what we just did by a concrete representation of using base 10 blocks. So now, since we've done the concrete representation, we are going to look at just a normal representation by drawing out what the base 10s numbers would look like. Okay, let's start with our starting number of 35. We're going to draw 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. We're going to draw 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to have to take away 18 from that. But after looking at our concrete model, we knew that we didn't have enough ones to remove an 8. So now we're going to have to take away one of our 10s blocks, and we're going to have to break it down into 10 ones. So let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that we have taken away one of our 10s blocks and broken it down into 10 ones, we can now take away 8 from that. So let's mark them out as we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've just crossed out. We have taken away 8 ones from our total of 15 new ones. So now let's count how many ones we have remaining. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 ones left. And now we're going to look at our tens place. What else do we need to take away? We need to take away 110, correct? So we're going to cross out 110, and we are left with a singular 10th. So now we know that there's 110 left when we are taking away 18 from 35. So now we have a total of 110 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. So 110 plus 7 ones is equal to 17. So we know that 35 minus 18 equals a difference of 17, which we just showed using a representational diagram. Lastly, we're going to look at this equation abstractly. So we're going to write 35 minus 18. And since after looking at our concrete and representational, we know that 8 cannot be broken into 5. So what we're going to have to do is take away one of our 10s, and we're going to change this into a 2 because we'll have 2 10s left after we take a 1 from the 3, and we're going to add 10 on top of the 5. So now we have a total of 15 ones, which we know we can take 8 from 15. So now looking at this, what is 8 minus 15? Yes, you're right, it is 7. So now that we know we have 7 total ones left, and now what do we get when we take 1 away from 2? We know that we are left with 1. So now that we know, after looking at this equation, that 35 minus 18 is equal to a difference of 17, which is shown abstractly using this kind of equation. Great job, y'all. Let me know if y'all have any questions.